What up, YouTube? It's your boy Spider Buff 1330 back with another video. I got my bike running right now because I'm charging my batteries for the 360. See, I can charge a little bit. I thought I had them charged. The one that's in the camera is pretty much full. Say 90%. I'll do it off now today. Another video. I've been waiting to do this one for a minute. And I want to install some air horns on the bike. I hooked it up in the house. Sounds pretty loud. So hopefully I can fit them up under there, up in there somewhere. If not, I'll find somewhere to put them. And just put them on the ground. I'm gonna just hook it up to the existing horn terminal. Okay, I'm gonna let you see the panels you have to take off. A lot of people probably don't know what the panels I have to take off. So the first one I took off is this panel here. You unlock the seat, raise your seat up, pop this one off first. Lay it somewhere safe, where you're not going to step on it. Alright, now you got to get behind here and you need to get, we want to remove this. So you got to loosen these also. Okay. Yeah, keep it jacking in front. I got my push pin tools. And then take this big piece of, you got Torx bit here, and you have two more in here. First we're going to remove this panel. You got one push pin right here. One push pin. That's right there. Now you can pull this panel off. Put from back here, I think it's the best way. Easy. Not hard. Another one, lay it down safe. Out of the way. Now you got the Torx bits. Let's see what size that is. Then you get to my tools and that sucks. Whoa. Caught y'all. Curtain knocked y'all over. Let's put you in this angle. Be bad for you. And I think that's a T25, I believe. Perfect. We get the T25. Loosen these up. You know, I hate going back for how to go through this cover, put something on something, but every time you do something to your bike, you gotta do that. So be careful when you're taking the stuff off every time. Be very careful. T25 torque, right? That's one. Two. Great. So now this is loose. So now you got some push pins in the front. take your push pin tool again. Let's go to the front. You got 3 push pins right here. But top piece of it. Push it up. Make sure you don't put them in the same pocket. Now I'm gonna put this one on the right side, because I got the other ones on the left side. Take that, push it up. Nice and easy. I hate push pins, y'all. Now, to take this off, you gotta push it forward and pop out. So first thing you want to do, let's put that up there. First thing you want to do, you want to loosen it from here. So, a little slow. Real slow. Same over here. Miss that one. No, I didn't miss it. Oh, right here. Right up under here. Right here. Right here. Right there. You heard that? Bracket there. So now you got that off. You want to push forward. Out and forward. Why does it feel like I'm not out enough? Okay. Be gentle with it. Okay. Easy. Push forward. I hate taking this off. I hate it. So you got everything exposed here now. So now what you want to do is, you want to remove this piece. So now you got that off. You pull this out from here, like that. Push it out like that. Just be careful. You sit this way, won't be in the way. I'll get messed up. So put it like that. So I'm not going to unplug it. So I'm just going to put it where it feels going to be safe and not going to move, which is right there. So now I want to look for a place with air horns. Might be enough room over there. Let's see. It's pretty big. It's not one horn. I saw a video. The guy had one flute. This is a combination. So, I think fit this. Hopefully, it might be like a fit down here. That'd be beautiful. Smaller thing first, see right? I know like I might need the spot top. That isn't perfect. That was beautiful. Now that can fit there. So now I want to see if I can close this. If this can fit there, That there is Gucci. We will be Gucci. Oh, beautiful. Perfect. Look at that. It'll fit right there. I love it. Yes. I was over having a drill and stuff like that. I'm gonna do the zip ties. That down in there. Find a spot to zip tie too. And that's how we're gonna do that. Alright, so give me a minute. Let's see if we can zip tie it. And I'll be right back with y'all. Okay, yeah. So I found a spot to zip tie it. Right here, like this. I'm not going to do it yet. Now I'm going to run my wire. I got to run it down. I'm going to add wire to it. Run it down through here to the doggone factory horn. I got to find the factory horn. I noticed it was down here. So, oh, I see it. It's right here. Going under there. I'm trying to do less things as possible. Let's remove less stuff as possible. If I can go here like this. One. Let me show y'all something. If y'all don't have these, please get these. It's very important, very convenient, very easy. You look down here, I have butterfly wing nuts for the battery compartment to get to the battery. Because what if you don't have tools on you, you break down on the road, you're out in the street, wherever. You need to get to your battery compartment, take the battery out, replace it, charge it, whatever. Right? You got no tools on you though. All you do is, boom, wing nuts. No tools at all. Got them off of Amazon. I'll put a link in the description. Somebody have that, I can use that. Now I may not do my installs exactly the way somebody else do their installs, but I don't need to, but I get the idea. Like I watched a guy do Pierre from Spyder Extras. He had a long flute he put here, he jacked the bike up, he had to go to the bottom, get to the horn, he took the horn off. I'm looking for the easiest way as possible. Battery compartment door. And I'm finding better other ways, so if it works for you, work for you. If it don't, you're gonna make it convenient for yourself. That's all. So let's see how we're gonna do this. Now I'm probably gonna run the wire down through there instead of up through here, because there's no opening here. So I think I'm gonna run it down through there. Alright. Okay, make sure you disconnect the negative battery terminal, like I did right there, before you hook up anything, okay? Now I cut my wire. So I'm gonna run my wire there, and I ran it down there, and I'm gonna connect it, and I'll show you how to do it, okay? And my electrical tape here, my power and ground right here, ground right here, strip that fluid on. Make sure it's fun.
Right here. See the blue and green? Right here. It's a hot Okay, y'all can see right here with my hands. There's the wires, tape them up, right? Pull up to here. I'm gonna zip tie it, but I wanna see, get it out of the way of everything. Pull it through here. Dangling nowhere. Zip tie the horn down. Let's turn it on. See what I'm saying? You ready? Yeah, hear that, right? Perfect. Yes. That's what I'm saying. Yeah, I heard the horns, right? That sounds great. Now I'm gonna zip tie this joint right here. See that? I have some meat down there. See that? Just cut it. Right where you need to cut it at. That goes down in there. The wire down in there. Like that. Now, take my battery compartment. Let's put this fairing light back in. Back in. We turn the switch on again. It's covered. Let's see how it sounds. Still loud. Still should be. Switch is on. Nice and loud. Now it's on top. Okay, so now you said the air horn is working. Now before I put the tools away, I want to put everything back. First thing first. The big boy. Put this on first. Oh no, I'm sorry, see? I'm not paying attention. I need to zip tie that wire down there. Need some zip ties. Okay. I want to zip tie wire down here. This line. This thing Now, put it on the same way you take it off. Make sure this fin go with that fin right there. Keep doing this. Take it up and down like this. Move forward. Up right here. and tight. And I'm here. Make sure you put this back in. Hold the line up. The push pins back in. And how long does these push pins last, y'all? Taking them in and out. Somebody let me know if they had to change them. You gave up on them. Let me know how long your push pins lasted.